Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to basically calculate the size of each package that you import inside your code. So side by side it will show you the size here. So this is the extension developed by Wix.com. It's a verified extension. Just go to the extensions tab, just search for import cost, and the very first extension which comes right here, this is the extension. So you just click the install button to activate this extension. So once the extension is activated, so now whichever extension or package you are importing inside your code, it will show you the size of it. So for example, we have this JavaScript file here. So we are using some third-party packages. So as I import them using the required statement, so side by side it will show you the size. So once activated, it will take some time for activating, and then after that it will show you the size here. You will see. So as you are importing the package, so side by side you will see the size of it as well. So that way you will definitely know how much is the size of the package. So it appears in this green color and this red color. So it clearly shows, highlights the size of the package. So this is the extension. You can definitely install it. Import cost, it's used almost by 5 million developers. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.